directly underneath what you see on the photo. The big gun is on the directly up underneath. This is all part of it. This is how we turn it on.
So this was originally based on the ship, not integrated with this system.
The original system is built to be standalone from use. But it also has a link to incorporate some things we can get off the spinal out the track for what that allows us to do is other people seeing stuff that maybe the gunfire control guy doesn't see. Those other people can designate targets to be able to.
I know.
Right? Gunfire control does not have the ability to fire the weapon himself. He has to get other, because it's electronically fired. It's electrically fired, right? So we have to be able to allow electricity for. Well, there's several blocks in that path to allow that electricity through. So certain switches have to be made. Certain permissions have to be given.
From the CIC.
Yep.
Okay.
The captain actually has his own ceasefire switch up there. He hits it, it kills the whole thing.
So these are the ammunitions here?
One light off. Cool.